Hello guys, welcome back to another adventure. This is Brian here. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but we're back at it again, hopefully. Today we are in Oregon. We are going to shoot some waterfalls. I've currently shot a few waterfalls already today, and this is probably my third one that I've got to. This whole trip I plan on shooting waterfalls and just forests and stuff. So right now I'm going to show you one of my most favorite waterfalls. I discovered this one about 3 years ago. It is very hidden, it's unknown. I don't think I've ever seen another picture from this spot. And it does take a very long hike to get there. If you know me well, you know I love hiking, and this is a very long hike. Just kidding, it's a super easy hike. I don't like long hikes. But anyways, I'm gonna take you over to the waterfall in just a minute. I'm gonna run you through my composition, through my settings and everything, and hopefully we're gonna get a good picture. I already have a good picture from this spot, but I would like to try again, see if I can come up with something a little different. So yeah, let's go. Here is a tiny glimpse of the waterfall before we go down. I will be doing a little bit of climbing over rocks and stuff once I get down there, so I probably won't be recording any of that. So I'll see you when we get to the spot. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me with this waterfall, but anyways, I got the composition set up. The first thing that I noticed was that all the little plants and stuff that were on the side are all dead. Last time they were all alive right here. So those are dead, so that's kind of sad. I don't know if it's just because it's summertime that they died or another reason. Could be anything. I've only been here once, so I can't tell you. But anyways, my settings are very simple. I'm going for f8, 1/4 of a second, ISO 200. I would go ISO 100, but it is a little dark in here. And with f8 and 1/4 of a second, I really couldn't get the brightness I was looking for. It was a little too dark to see, so I just raised my ISO up to 200. My composition is pretty simple. I'm going for this big waterfall up here to come down into this one, and then that goes down. I got this nice rock and this nice rock over here. I think it works very well. The trees up in the top add a little bit. In my other shot that I took 3 years ago, I'm gonna post that too, but the trees on the top played a big role. They framed the waterfall quite nicely. But this time it's a little different. You know, Mother Nature changes, the weather changes stuff, and plants die and everything, but I think it's still a beautiful scene, and I'm really enjoying shooting it, and I'm really enjoying being here. So yeah, super easy shot. Waterfalls are super easy. All you want to do is get it at 1/4 of a second, so you get that nice slow in the waterfall. If you do any longer, like a minute, like not a minute, but a second or like 30 seconds, it's just too long. It starts to become too blurry. With 1/4 of a second, you still have a bit of motion in the water, and it's a really nice look to it. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you can hear this. If not, I'll be doing a voiceover. Talk to you guys soon, okay? Also, this is crazy, guys. Look at my filming situation. Probably the scariest place I've filmed at.